This video is for Bedouin people. Bedouins are living here in the caves. So let's talk. तो भाई जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे बेडुइन यानी बदू लोग रहते हैं, इनकी ज़िंदगी का दारोमदार स्याहों पर है। जितने भी लोग यहाँ सैर सपाटे के लिए आते हैं, उन्हीं पर ही इन लोगों की ज़िंदगी का दारोमदार है। तो आप अंदाज़ा कर सकते हैं कि इनकी लाइफ कितनी ज़्यादा मुश्किल है। ठीक है, लोग हज़ारों करोड़ों की तादाद में यहाँ पे सैर सियाहत के लिए आते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे रहने वाले लोगों की तादाद भी बहुत ज़्यादा है। तो बड़ी मुश्किल से इनका गुज़र बसर होता है। शायद दिन में 2-4 क्लाइंट ही मिलें, जिससे शायद इनकी रोज़ी रोटी भी पूरी ना हो सके। तो गाइस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट their hard life here, how they are trying to earn money, and their life is depend on tourists. So that's the life of Bedouin people, which are born in those caves, and they are living here like 200-300 years ago.
No, it was they lived here.
No, we was living here.
Yes.
I born in a cave, by the way. You know, when I say my father, he was live here. You know, even long time, more than around 200 years or more. You know, he was coming here and he sitting here. You know, so when the people start to come to here to Petra, you know, visit. You know, the first he was sleep with the Bedouin in the cave, you know.
Okay, yeah.
So after this, when they learn many things, you know, they more, you know, slowly, they learn the thing from the people.
Yes.
They, you know, they take care about the tourists. They take care about the cave. They understand the people. They love this thing.
Yeah.
The first lady, she's a New Zealand woman. She's original New Zealand, but she born in Norway.
Norway, yes.
Yeah, she married
Bedouin?
Bedouin here,
Bedouin, okay.
one of our cousin, and she was living with us in the cave here. She have 2 boys, 1 daughter, and then when we moved to the Bedouin village, okay, when they make the deal with the king of Hussein to move to the village, okay, we say we'll move but to work here. And she still living until now with us too. She make a book married with a Bedouin, you know.
Okay.
Then, we grow up with the tourists here, so we learn English with the tourists. We speak broke English, you know. But
your English is really good.
Yeah, but we say broke English, you know, yeah. Few Italy, couple words from Italy or from Germany, yeah,
Okay.
from the tourists. So, you know, after this, there's more, and we take care about the tourists, we take care about the cave, we take care about the place, too, you know.
Because the UNESCO giving this place like the seven beauty of the world.
Yes, that's
And
true.
because of this, you need to move.
No, we moved before this.
Before this, okay.
Before this, I meet them here, the UNESCO, I was meet them, I was work with the camel. Bedouin, we are the Bedouin here, you know, but they are belong like to Petra, you know.
Yeah.
People, they love people to find them, to nurture natural people, say, as example.
Okay.
When the house is life in the cave and like this, you know.
तो भाई हाइकिंग हो रही है। तो भाई मैं उस बंदे की जिसकी आगे रिकॉर्डिंग की थी वीडियो बना रहा था, जो बद्दू है जहाँ का, बेडुइन इन लोगों को बोलते हैं, और वो बद्दू था। मेरे ख्याल में 50 की उम्र होगी, लेकिन अभी तक उसने शादी नहीं की। इन लोगों की ज़िंदगी जो है ना, मुझे ये लगता है कि बड़ी मुश्किल ज़िंदगी है, इतनी आसान नहीं है। किस तरीके से ये लोग गुजारा करते हैं, इट्स अमेजिंग। दे आर ट्राइंग टू सर्वाइव। तो भाई ये चेक करो आप ज़रा, ओह, पूरी काली हुई है, पता नहीं किस वजह से. Looks. So guys, the Bedouin people living this kind of caves. I'm gonna show you later some of them how they're like. ये देखिए, ये केव कैसी है. तो भाई देख सकते हो आप, ये लोग यहाँ पे अभी भी रह रहे हैं. एक बंदा मिला है जो यहीं रहता है. देखो भाई लोग कहाँ पे रहते हैं, ये देखिए. Hello my friend, how are you?
Good.
How are you my friend?
Still alive.
Still alive?
Nice shoes.
Yeah.
I like. It's Urdun.
Ah.
Yes. Remake.
For sale.
For sale. Okay. Yes, really good. I like the color.
Yeah.
You work now?
Yeah.
You work
Yeah.
with your donkey?
Yeah. Every day wear.
Every day. Okay, now you begin. You start now.
Anytime go down.
Okay. Anytime.
But today you late.
Huh?
You late today.
No, people, lot of people.
Too much
Too
people.
much.
Ah, too
Yeah.
much people. Yeah, okay.
Control it. We made just down here.
Where?
Just here. You have the dive here.
तो भाई आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे लोग कैसे रहते हैं. Amazing. Very hard life, guys. In the mountains. तो भाई आप मेरे बैकग्राउंड में देख सकते हो, ये घर है जहाँ पे अभी भी लोग रहते हैं. और यहाँ पे डोंकीज और जो है कैमल्स, वो टूरिस्ट के लिए वो लेके जाते हैं टूर पे. ये आप व्यू में भी चेक कर सकते हो कि कैसा है.